So I think my previous video cut off before I could describe this assignment. So basically this assignment is going to ask you to describe emotions. And we've talked about cognitive complexity being your ability to use multiple words to describe an emotional state. And so this assignment is going to ask you to do that. And so the emotions that we have at the top, happy, sad, angry, afraid, ashamed, are 5 most common emotions that we can usually recognize in ourselves and in someone else. So what the assignment's asking you to do is for each of these words or emotional states to write a descriptor. Now, this descriptors need to be divided based on intensity of the feeling. So high intensity, kind of average, medium intensity feeling, and then low intensity. So for example, elated is a higher intense feeling than just being glad about something, or just feeling cheerful and feeling good about it. Being depressed is a higher degree feeling than just being unhappy. But heartbroken is more than unhappy, but maybe not as high level of intensity as depressed. So your job for this assignment is to go through each of these and just list the words that you can think of or the emotional feelings that you feel or that you know that are attached to these emotions. And then I want you to answer these questions. How easy or difficult was it for you to create the emotional descriptions? How do we increase our cognitive complexity? What do we gain? Where do we gain the ability to have a variety of labels? What happens in our life that allows us to be able to do that? And then how does having a higher degree of cognitive complexity benefit our relationships? So when you're listing your words, you can maybe only put 1 or 2 words in here. That's fine. Some of you may have 4 or 5. It doesn't matter. Just fill in the boxes as best that you can and then answer the questions. So that is the second assignment that is due next week. And then the following week we'll continue our discussion of emotional intelligence and we'll be able to apply it to a case study. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Shoot me an email. Happy to meet with you virtually or on the phone. And I want to be able to help you out if you need it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.